A few runs in and the front tire is already worn out. This could be a problem, but it turns out the rim is actually a standard 12-inch, so I can just replace it with a bicycle tire. Pretty cool. I'm going to remove the side panels and then remove the bolt, and it should slide out. Then once I have replaced the tire, I'm going to be putting it back onto the trike, but I'm not going to be putting the panels back on. Now I'm also thinking of replacing the rear wheels as well, because they're made out of solid plastic and they're very loud, and this thing doesn't have a lot of power. 250 watts, not a lot. So I'm going to add some rubber tires at the back as well. Found these tires from a stroller, so yes, at least I have 2 rims to go with my tires. But it turned out that the rims themselves have a bigger bearing size, and the shaft I have is only 8mm, but the bearing is 10mm big, so they're not compatible. So I added these small wheels, but it turns out the small wheels are like minimum because you can drive it around, but it's scraping on the ground, but it works. Then I had an idea. Why not add a bushing? And yeah, it works. So all I had to do is just cut a 10mm tube, add it to my 8mm shaft, and then I can use these bicycle stroller wheels. And now I can go take it for a test run. This beautiful machine. So when I got this, the idea was to replace those plastic drift wheels with beautiful rubber tires. As you can see, I have finally achieved that. It's a monster. Alright, so oh no, 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 it broke. It seriously broke. Look at this. Look at this. What happened? Plastic wheels, am I right? Replace the rim. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.